One of the things I wanted to do now, though, was also talk about the deliverability of that media on your campus itself. And that can be done through digital signage. Broadfield Distributing is a distributor for Absen LED display solutions. Absen LED display solutions are available from our nationwide network of system integrators, and they can help you design an LED display solution indoors or outdoors for any venue across your school, across your campus. Whether it's digital signage, whether it's something to complement your production, whether you're looking to set up a virtual production with an LED display as the backdrop to your set, or if you're just looking to upgrade your sports venues with some signage throughout your arena, Absen has the perfect solution for you. We're going to talk about a lot of those, and one of the reasons why we chose Absen is because all of their LED display solutions are manufactured in-house from a manufacturer with more than 15 years experience in the industry. These are Chinese-based manufacturing with Absen US providing installation services and support and warranty on all of their LED displays. Whether you are configuring a small LED display for a conference room, a touch panel for your classroom, or a large outdoor display for your sports venue, Absen has the solution across all of it. They have vertical-based solutions, which means they're going to give you the right solution for education, the right solution for sports, or for digital outdoor displays. We know that more and more schools are using these digital outdoor billboards to bring the community into knowing what is happening on campus. They have great relationships with our system integrators, again, located throughout the country, with resources available, hooking you up with a certified installer and support services for all of your LED displays. Absen LED displays are made to enhance the visual learning. The more you can put up in full, bright color in the front of your classroom, the easier it is going to be to share those materials. When you're looking at these LED display solutions, we can really help you configure a solution at any size. They even have curved panels available to wrap around specific creative displays and really giving you the most of their capability. One of the products that we're going to talk about is the Absen IconX Edge series, which is an all-in-one solution where these panels are built together to give you a full touch panel control in a gorgeous up to 136-inch screen that your lecturers can use and stand in front of to share all their presentation materials. Absen LED display solutions are being used in lecture halls and auditoriums throughout the country. Student unions and common areas. This is where we talked about that digital signage capability. If the football game is happening on the field and you want to display that across the campus, that can be done easily with Absen LED display solutions and the right video distribution and management systems. Sports facilities and arenas are obviously a big element to where you would see these LED displays. The Studio Series, the KLCOB from Absen, has some of the highest refresh rates and some of the lowest dot pitch. Dot pitch means how far do you need to be standing away from the display before you're going to see those LED pixels. If you're mounting the display solution at the back corner of an arena, you can have a much larger dot pitch because the naked eye is going to be much further away and still be able to pick up the full resolution of your image. As you start getting closer and closer, you want to minimize that dot pitch and you want to increase your refresh rate for a crystal clear signal. The KLCOB is an excellent solution that can fit into a lot of smaller classrooms to give you that excellent display quality. These panels are in stock and available from our system integrators. We are working very closely with Absen and our integrators in the US to make sure we help shrink some of those lead times. So if there is an LED display solution that your school is looking to get set up quickly, This time of year, maybe you need to get something set up in time for graduation. We can help make that happen. The NX series are some of their more popular 2.5 pitch, allowing you to get a perfect signal from about 25 feet away. The NX series are built to be ultra reliable and ultra durable, really giving you that tried, true, tested capability in a school where things can smack up against it, crash up against it, and you're not going to damage the pixels. The NX series is easy to set up, great to view, and really versatile for a lot of different applications. And then the one that I mentioned just at the top of this segment is the Absenicon Edge series. The Absenicon Edge is their series of display solutions that give you a very small dot pitch in an all-in-one solution with a framed housing in either touchscreen or non-touchscreen versions that can be set up in classrooms very quickly and very easily. The Absenicon Edge is available in different sizes, with the most popular being a 136-inch display. The 136-inch display in non-touch and touch panel has some great deals available right now and can be implemented into your schools quickly and easily. These give you a 15,000 to 1 contrast ratio, really allowing you to see crystal clear colors all across the color gamut. 90% BT 2020, again, another one of those specs to tell you that the colors are going to look sharp. Your blacks will be blacks, your whites will be whites, and everything in between can be set and calibrated. If you're the Ohio State University and you want to make sure that your red looks like the red it's supposed to be, that scarlet and gray is going to come across on that screen crystal clear. And you can get all of that capability with these Absenicon Edge displays. If you have any questions about finding the right LED display solution, you can reach out to Broadfield at 800-634-5178, one of our sponsors for eduStreamTV. We can connect you with the system integrator and the Absen installation team in the US, and we can make sure we get the right solution available for you. Obviously, the LED display solution that you put around campus for digital signage, those that you put into your classrooms for presentations, and those that get mounted onto your venues, whether it's a theater production auditorium or a sporting venue, are going to be very different. We can help you find the right display solution for each of those applications and help you get them set up at great prices and with availability in both New York and California. We can make sure we get your deadlines met. If you have questions about any of these LED display solutions or any of the great products we talked about so far on eduStreamTV, you can reach out to us right here in the chat. You can send an email, you can give us a call, and we'd be happy to connect you and get you more. We have a great schedule planned for the next 2 days of eduStreamTV, with presentations coming from Panasonic, VizRT showing off their new TriCaster workflows. We have discussions on esports and sports production and everything that your schools need to get up and running. We're also introducing the brand new Bird Dog family of products with some of their Maki Live production systems, allowing you to really get started in live production at a very affordable price. You can reach out to us at eduStreamTV, at Videoguys at 800-323-2325, or for Absen or any of our installation services to connect you with an integrator in your area at 800-634-5178. Thanks for tuning in today. We'll see you again tomorrow.